Peace be upon you and may Allah's mercy and blessings be upon you. Hope you are well. The purpose of this channel is to understand statistics from every aspect. There is an excellent series of questions and answers, which will make it easier to understand the topic of statistics. So I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start today's video. Question 9. How can one determine the number of classes for a frequency distribution? Answer. In quantitative classification, the number of classes depends upon the class interval. So a formula was suggested by H. A. Sturgis, to determine the class interval and also the number of classes. The formula is I is equal to LS, divided by 1 plus 3.322 log 1. Where I equals class interval, L equals largest observation, S equals smallest observation, and N equals total number of observations in the set. Also, the denominator, 1 plus 3.322 log on is equal the number of classes. Describe in brief the grouping error. Answer. If the classes are formed in such a way that the frequencies are evenly distributed throughout the class interval, it is justified to assume that the frequencies are centered at the mid-value of the class. But in cases where such an assumption is not valid, it leads to error which is known as grouping error. Grouping error affects the accuracy of the results. Question 11. Clarify the difference between exclusive and inclusive class intervals. Answer. Following are the differences between exclusive and inclusive class intervals. 1. In exclusive class intervals, the upper limit of a class is the lower limit of the next class. Also, the upper limit of a class is not included in that class. 2. In inclusive class intervals, the upper limit of a class instead is not the lower limit of the next class. The lower limit is generally greater by unit measurement. 3. In inclusive method, both the limits of a class are included. 4. To simplify the calculation procedure, inclusive classes are converted into exclusive classes. 5. Inclusive classes approach is suitable in case of data given in whole numbers. In rest of the cases, exclusive class approach is suitable. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.